Hello and welcome back to Android Tutorials. Let me show you what we are going to build in this project. Then you will get an idea. So first I am going to insert an image link and then click on submit. So when I tap on submit, you can see that complete image loaded from the image URL. Means in this app we are going to convert the image URL into an image view, or we are going to get the image URL to our image view in our Android application. So let's begin, or let me show you one another image. So here I had written that image and submit. So you can see that another image came up. So now we are going to start building this project. So before that I want to request you about subscribe to our channel Android Tutorials, and don't forget to like and share this Android tutorial if you really enjoyed it. So let's begin. As we are going to take the or convert the image URL into an image view, means URL means we are going to use the internet. Sorry. So we are going to ask about the permission in our Android Studio. And as always, I had created a new project for our application. So here you can see that new project, and now here I had written for the internet permission. Now to make this application working, I had created the code already, because it sometimes generates an error which may get a bad result. So I had created that code. Now we are going to make our orientation of our screen to be portrait mode only. So in the activity we have to write a screen orientation to be portrait. After that we are going to use Picasso library to convert the URL into an image. So first of all we are going to go to our build.gradle file in our app level module and implement this Picasso library. So this is the Picasso library that you have to implement in your project. After, it will take some time to sync, so be patient and let Android Studio to add the library. After that we are going to add one gradient. So to add the gradient we have to click on this drawable, then right click on it, and after that we have to click on new button that will appear when we click on drawable. So here it is taking some time, so let me show you from here. So now Android Studio is not responding, so let me tell you manually. So now we are going to again click on drawable, and when it will show the pop-up we are going to click on new, and then new drawable resource file. So after that we are going to give the gradient as a file name, and then we are going to click on OK. So after Android Studio again start its sync process, and we will get our gradient.xml file. So in that here you will find a sector, but we have to change it to shape, and after that we are going to add the gradient to our application. So first let's open a gradient. So here is a gradient.xml file. So here we had initialized our start color to purple 200 and end color to purple 700. Now the color code is hashtag BB86FC, and for purple 700 that is 3700BE, and we are going to assign its angle to 90 degree. So when our app starts we are going to show that gradient instead of this image view. Now in our design part we are going to convert the constraint layout to a linear layout, so we can design our layout properly. Here add design or change this theme around 4 to 5 times, because after that I find this layout perfect. So here I had implemented the orientation to be vertical, and after that I had given a linear layout and given its ID container, and no need of this to give it ID. So I am going to erase that, and after I had implemented layout width and height to be wrap content, and after given its orientation to be vertical. After we are going to add edit text, and that edit text ID will be URL, and then give its width to match parent, height to wrap content, give its width 10 dp, give its background to be white, input type will be text URI, hint will be image link text as you can see it here. After we have to write text alignment to center or wherever you want, and after that we are going to give text color. So this is the color code of our edit text. And now in our button we are going to write a button and ID to be view, and after give its width to 140 dp or according to you whatever you want, give its height to wrap content, give its margin 5 dp, and that background color will be purple 500, and the color code is 6200EE. Text will be submit or show, view, anything you want. Give its gravity to be center horizontal, so that we got our button in center. Text all caps to true, depend on you what you have to make. Then text color that is white, and content description is app name. Now we are going to show the image view. So in image view we are going to give its ID of image view, give its width to match parent, height is match parent, and its margin is 5 dp, and remember to add this scale type to center crop. That so by this we will get our image in full image view instead of cutting from both the sides. After we are going to implement the source of that. This is not static, but it will be dynamic. Then the content description, that is app name. Now we are going to come to our Java part, which is the important. So in our Java part, first of all we are going to make our edit text URL as a global variable, button view and image view as a global variable, and then we have to write URL is equal to find view by ID, then give its ID URL, view is equal to find view by ID, again view, and image view to image view. So by this way we are going to add the global, so we are going to cast our variables. Now we are going to set on click listener on button to convert the image URL into an image view. So first of all we are going to create a string image link, and we are going to get the URL text to string. So here we had written a string image link is equal to URL dot get text to string, and then give it a Picasso dot get dot load this image link into an image view. So by this way we are going to load the image URL to our image view in Android application. So now let me revise you quickly what we had done in this Android tutorial, and I am again showing you the example of our application. So here is my device, and here is Android, and here I am going to now change this link to the chessboard. So after I am going to submit, so you can see that this image appear here. So here we got image URL into our image view in Android Studio. Now let me quickly revise you. what we had done. So first I am going to add a dependency of Picasso library, then add the manifest internet permission, design your layout according to you, where we had implemented one edit text button in image view, made an gradient, come to main activity, declare edit text button and image view as a global variable, implement find view by id, set on click listener on button, and then make a string, and then finally picasso.get.load image link into an image view. So by this way we got our image link to our uh, image view. So thanks for watching this Android tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Android tutorials, and like and share this Android tutorial. And also, if you forgot to watch our wallpaper app series, image to text scanner and many more series, so check out our playlist section. You will find a ready-made app over there. Thanks for watching Android tutorials.